All right, this is my 2005 Yamaha VStar 650. I got this bike about October of last year. It was stock. The first color was silver and red. And I've done a lot of work to this bike. All of the handlebars and everything were chrome. So I decided to do a repaint job. Took everything apart, repainted it, and now it's got a blue metallic fleck paint color. So repainted the fenders and the gas tank. Also needed to have quite a bit of work done to it. So the bike has actually a new coated tank. The inside of the tank was pretty good and rusty, so got the tank cleaned up. There was a couple dents in the tank right here that I was able to fix and got those straightened out. There was also a few welding holes in the bottom where the tank had rusted through on both sides, and those are professionally welded back together now. No leaks, and then the tank coating also helps stop the leaks on the inside. Everything's blacked out, so we've got all the engine and the pipes are blacked out, kind of rat style, as well as the forks. I did leave a couple pieces of chrome just as accents around the bike. I'll probably go back over and repaint some of these, but this was painted with high heat black, flat black paint for kind of that rat bike type of look. I did have a pretty good amount of trouble with it, though, with the carburetor. Since it is a 2005, it's carbureted bike, and the carburetor got clogged up a lot because of the rust in the engine. So I've had to take it apart and to clean that carburetor out several times. It's now nice and clean, works good, and starts up quite nicely. One nice thing about the 2005 Yamaha VStar 650 is that it is a shaft drive, so no belt to worry about. That really helps things out. There are a couple leaks right here, oil leaks, which from what I've read is kind of a persistent problem with Yamahas. So that's just kind of something to watch. I do have a gasket that I'm going to replace and see if that maybe helps a little bit. But that is overall what's done. Oh, and also I did get to replace, there is a, I don't know